Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video. It's a tips and tricks only. How to know if your Mercedes has a push start. There is two ways you can tell. I will share with you and let's close it. First of all, your key fob has to be close by. There is a keyless entry. As soon as I put my finger here and it opens up. It locks in, put my finger here and it opens. And the second thing I wanted to share with you, if you bought a used Mercedes and you have a keyless entry on your door, that means you have a push start. What if happens, you see, we insert the key and we start the Mercedes. Now I'm going to turn it off. So you see, we insert the key fob and we start it. So what it means, that means you have a keyless entry. That means you should have a push start. But if you bought a used one and if it's missing, how you can make it push start? One thing you need to do, you need this button, which is a push start button. I'll list the part number under my info and you can check it out. It's very simple to install it. Only thing is orientation. Keep the writing in front of you and this is the key, goes inside and you push it in. That's it. Your key fob has to be close by in order to start it. We just need to press it. So I'm going to turn it off. So that's it. That's how you know if your Mercedes has a push start, and in case if push start button is missing, you always can get one and place it back on. I hope this video will help you out, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.